Hurricane hinges are expensive if that's the route we decide to go. We are going to try to make the, it's a 77 Ford. It's a classic. It's not going to be worked real hard. I'm going to do some spar varnish and some polyurethane so that these look nice. So I've got the nice plywood. We did go treated for the back and the bottom, because the plan is these will be permanently part of the truck, bolted on, but the truck is going to be used for leaf collection in the spring and fall. So we're going to make a cap that will sit on top of these, and we'll have 2x4s that slide into the stake pockets that will be that are on the bed. That these will be behind, and we'll build that so that it can be lifted off with a forklift or an overhead hoist, so we can take that off easily when we don't need it, put it on, and that will be just probably just treated. We may go with the nice plywood and finish that. So and who knows? I don't, and it's my project. So the plans are subject to change on a moment's notice. That's half the fun. But this is, I've got more time than I have money. And there's the second one, which went considerably faster than the first one. But the first one we had no plan for. And I did all the cuts with my little handheld cordless circular saw. For the second one, I brought out the table saw, so the repetitive cuts went much quicker. So not a bad day's work. Got some glue on there that needs to set up and dry. It's the first one. There's the second one. They are identical except these first braces are 10 inches on here, 12 inches on here. That's because of the way I joined the bottom, top, whatever, to get them to the 104 inches that I needed. You can see that I did stagger my joints so they're not together. Next step will be sheeting. This, which will be the second video, this will all be put into part one. It's about 12:30. Go in, eat some lunch, take a shower. Planning on going to bed around 6 to be up at 1 again. Trying to get on a schedule that we don't follow except for 3 weeks out of the year anymore. So that's what I got done today. Oh, and I did order front shocks for the truck. They'll be here tomorrow morning. Very disappointed yesterday when I got in, plugged in the GoPro, and it told me I had no files to import. So we'll try this again. Here is my toolbox with the progress from yesterday. It's upside down. This is the bottom. Got the bottom put on, got the back put on. We left the back long so that we can put some 2x2 treated pieces. It'll look like this, but they'll be treated. And I was thinking we might just we might do smaller pieces. Like that. Spaced to keep it off the metal floor so that this will get a chance to dry, so that the metal will get a chance to dry, so that it won't rust as fast. So then we'll cut this flush with those. So this will sit flush against the bed so that we don't have a gap where leaves can blow through. Because remember, this is going to be a leaf collector truck. Also, you can see I put in a back wall on the top shelf so that things won't roll behind and drop down onto the lower shelf. I just used scrap pieces. It maybe isn't the prettiest, but I hate to waste and I like to save money. So, and it's my project. You know, if you were doing this, you know, for a customer, if you were ordered, you know, if someone hired you to build this, then you would build it, you know, better. But this is good enough for me. So it's 3:30 in the morning. I have to be to work at 5. So not going to get anywhere on this morning. I'm going to start my day off with some positive energy and not fight with cutting stuff and measuring. Although I probably could get the sides put on. But I'm going to go get this uploaded and start uploading some of the video that got processed yesterday too. So that's what I want to do instead of continuing to work out here for the little time I have. So hopefully this will upload and the card isn't corrupted in the camera, that something just went wrong. Had some computer issues yesterday. You love technology. Yeah, it's wonderful. So this is probably be the end of the second video. And we'll see how long it takes me to get something else posted.